How long should your HVAC system last? It's a question many homeowners ask, and the answer depends on the type of system you have, the quality of the installation, and how well it's maintained over time. On average, central air conditioners last about 10 to 15 years. Furnaces generally last a bit longer, closer to 15 to 20 years when they're properly maintained. Routine maintenance, such as annual tune-ups, cleaning, and replacing filters, plays a huge role in extending the lifespan. A neglected system will work harder, wear out faster, and often cost more in energy bills. On the other hand, a well-maintained system not only lasts longer but runs more efficiently, saving you money each month. There are also warning signs that your system may be reaching the end of its life. If you're calling for frequent repairs, noticing rising energy bills, or experiencing uneven temperatures throughout your home, your HVAC system may be losing efficiency and nearing replacement time. Another factor to consider is technology. If your system is more than 10 years old, it may be using outdated components that are far less efficient than today's models. Modern HVAC systems are designed to use less energy while delivering better comfort. Upgrading can actually pay for itself over time through lower energy bills and fewer repair costs. Not sure if repair or replacement is the best choice? That's where a professional evaluation comes in. A trained technician can assess the overall condition of your system and give you an honest recommendation so you can make the right decision for your home and budget. The bottom line is this: while HVAC systems have an average lifespan, regular maintenance can add years of reliable service, while neglect can shorten it significantly. Taking care of your system is the best way to protect your investment and keep your home comfortable. At Aire Serv, we provide friendly, reliable service for all your heating and cooling needs. From system repairs and replacements to preventative maintenance and annual tune-ups, we'll help you get the most out of your HVAC system. And with 24/7 customer service, you'll never be left without support when you need it most. Contact us today to schedule your service and keep your system running at its best.